Wait. Look at this girl, y'all. You can't have this stuff. Look at this girl, all in this box. Wait a minute. Bink, come on. Get your head out of there. Wait a minute. Don't try to stronghold me. Wait. We're going to do better. We're not going to fight over this. Give me this bag. Get your head out of here. God dog it. Let me take this bag in the kitchen. Get your head out of here. Bink. Get your head out of here. What you got? Woo! Don't you swipe it. Stop. You can't eat this damn. You can't eat this bone. Give me this. You done pull all this stuff out this doggone bag. Damn, girl. Ain't nobody come home for this. It took me over a minute to get this bag. Dang.